ate. Kasi lahat lakos. Baka mainggit ang ate. Kaya nilakos na rin natin. Panoorin yung mga kabuso kung ano magiging reaction ng ate.
Are you hug, Dada? Hug, hug. Oh!
Money!
Do you also want blue?
No! Thank you. What's up mga kabuso? Merry Christmas! Tamad ka bumangon kasi antok ka na. Pero kailangan mo bumangon dahil magluluto ka pa. Kakaluto ko lang ng pasta. At ngayon mga kabuso, lalabas na namin yung beef namin. Kasi kanina, hindi na namin nilabas. Kasi nandito sila sa sala. So ngayon, lalabas namin. Babalot na kami ng regalo. Ay, si Susi.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Akala nila wala tayong regalo kasi wala pa sila nakikita dito. Diyan mo.
Ikaw din.
Tara.
Tingnan nyo, gagalaw yan si Santa.
At tara, magbalot tayo.
Magpapapak ng sino po magpapabalot ng regalo. Available na po.
Basta.
Matatagpuan sa Tanawan, Batangas.
Lugar eh.
Oh, ganyan mga nagbuo. Regalo.
Okay ate.
It's a surprise. Sa biggest paper bag. Nakikita ko na reaction.
Yung mga yung mga pwede ilagay mo. Basura. May sapatos ako na may tapos din ako sapatos. Tama ka.
Teka, ang dilim.
Dapat yung kahon na na paiba-iba.
Oo nga, yung datan size iyan, ganyan.
Tapos Louis Vuitton.
Taon-taon na agad ako.
Tapos,
Ano pa?
ay yung maliit. Square yun eh. Tama to.
Yung kung kakasya.
Tapos,
Naghahanap po na palagay doon sa...
tinapay.
Ayan, kasya yan. Oo, tinapay. Puta na. Bigyan mo na lang ng ano.
Tapos tinapay. Tira pa natin ang atin. Gusto niya regalo eh.
Mahilig kasi si ate magbukas ng regalo.
Oo.
Ayan, dahil dyan, dahil
Kaya minsan
may...
yung mga nagbibigay dito sa amin ng ano, mga package, nakubo ng ate. So ngayon,
Dahil gusto niya
pasasabihin
magbukas.
namin siya ng regalo. Gusto niya regalo. Oo. Nagpa-LB pa tayo. Nasosyal, sabi ng ate. Nasosyal naman yan, binigyan niya ako ng LB. Lumang bag.
Behind the scene.
Behind this. Alam niyo mga kabuso, 1 taon ko itong pinag-ipunan. Kailangan syempre, napaka-special na araw na to. Kaya minsan mag-spend tayo ng pera, pag-ipunan natin para pabigyan natin ng kasiyahan yung ating pamilya. So minsan lang sa isang taon. Tsaka napaka-special na to, December 25 na to, kasi ito yung birthday ng inay. Kasi lahat lakos, baka mainggit ang ate, kaya nilakos na rin namin.
Nakikita ko na reaction niya.
Saya nito. Tinahin yung ano, panoorin yung mga kabuso kung ano magiging reaction ng ate. Ay, may siya pa oh. Dahil sabi na ate, naigit sa asawa.
Kung natin machi-machi.
Sabi nila, pag magbabalot ka doon ng regalo, kailangan nakangiti.
Hanggang mamaya.
Kasi masaya ka. Masaya ka nagbibigay. Ano garit? Kanino garit? Kay mama.
Yan yung akin ba? Yung bag?
Hindi.
O yung sa'yo?
Sa akin.
Ba't hindi ka nagalaw?
Kailangan, pag nag-ano ka nga, nagbabalot ka, kailangan masaya ka. Merry Christmas and Happy birthday.
Wala kaibuan to. Hanggang mamaya. Yes!
Gilayan mo si Lolas? Ha? Yes!
Ang putikayos.
Hey, Spring! Are you saying we wish you a Merry Christmas to Dada? Dada will give you violet. Go!
Oh, I will give you violet. Oh. Oh. Oh, what do you want?
You sing we wish you a Merry Christmas to Dada. We wish you...
Oh, sing.
Ayusin mo na ako.
Ay, sing me na. Sing.
Ay, Dada, show pakita mo
I will
kasi.
give- oh, this, you like this?
Dada has yellow and blue also.
Ayusin mo na.
Oh, sing.
Wish you.
You sing we wish you... We wish you...
Oh, kanta muna. Sing. Sing.
Say Dada, can I have the blue one? The blue one. Ito, this one, baby, oh. Also blue one and yellow one.
Tita naman! Wapit-pit si Mobra!
What did you say?
So, you kiss Dada, you kiss muna Dada.
Kiss Dada.
You kiss Dada.
Yung kiss Dada gave you
Ay, kiss Dada, I will give you more.
Oh, wow! Kiss Dada, look! Dad, do you want the yellow one? This one? Do you want the yellow? Okay, Daddy.
Ginagawa mo bago pa ko.
Ah, Daddy. And this one! Wow! Oh, sorry.
Ay, naku po, yung pinahirap
Jingle bells, jingle bells. Ay, hindi lang sa'yo crying.
You want more?
Want more? Oh, yeah. Let's do that. Let's sing. We wish you a merry We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah!
Last one!
Oh, yes, Dada. Oh, Dada, so many. Say, I want a blue one
Nakikita ang mga pero ng...
and a yellow one.
What color do you want?
Blue or yellow? Blue. Yes, Dada. Oh, Dada, can I have the blue one?
You need to kiss Dada and
Kiss.
Ayun, kiss Dada, kiss Dada, kiss Dada.
Wala. Magtuso yate ka kailangan makita niya.
Oh, pakita mo yung blue one. Dali. Kikis ka lang.
Kiss muna.
Ayun, kiss Dada.
Kiss Dada.
The other side. The other side. The forehead, the forehead. The other side, the other side. Oh, you hug Dada, hug, hug. Oh. There you go. Get like this, get to like that. Oh, I want the blue one, please.
Baba mo, tapos
Oh, sige, Dada.
Babas ko po. Oh, do you want blue one?
Ayun, 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 ayun.
Kasi namamas ko po muna. Dada will give you another one.
What do you want? Yellow or blue?
Blue.
Oh, yellow! You like yellow? You like yellow? Yellow?
Blue.
Do you want?
Say, I want 5 yellows. Wow.
500! Money!
Do you also want blue?
No!
Go, go. Ayun, you go say that I want blue.
All done? No.
Do you want the blue one? The Leo? Leo is color blue. Do you want color blue?
All done. O siya,
Kasi thank you muna.
O siya, party na kayo. Kada. Oh, mag-party na kayo daw.
Excuse me.
Okay po. Oo.
Tutuwa naman siya sa hawak niya. Kala mo naman
Oh, you give that to daddy na. No, no. Okay.
Wala ka. Marunong na. O, like, marunong na. Like father, like son. Like father, like son.
niya. Dali.
Alin?
Kung kanya.
Is that yours?
Is that your money?
Is that your money?
Yeah?
Kaisberg, do you want the blue one?
No? Okay.
Anak, say yes. Daddy will let you watch Leo.
No.
Oh, you say, you want the blue one?
No.
Oh, yes. Yes daw. Oh, you kiss Dada and hug. Daddy will let you watch Leo and give you the blue one. Go.
No. Paano reaction?
Blue yun. Anak, you want the blue one? No? Okay na. It is enough na, no? Say, I want milk. You're such a very good baby. Don't ask for too much na. Yes?
Yes.
We should be thankful na. Oh, much Leo. You say thank you muna to Dada.
Thank you, Dada.
Ay, flying kiss muna daw. Flying kiss muna kay Dada.
About money.
About money.
Flying kiss muna kay Dada.
About money.
Oh!
I want money.
This is for your food, for your milk.
Yes.
Or for your toys?
No.
This one.
This is for?
This one.
This is for? Who gave this to you?
Dada.
Dada. Ay, say thank you to Dada muna.
Dada.
Ay, look at Dada when saying thank you. Ay, look at Dada when saying thank you.
Thank you
Dada, I love you so much.
so much, Dada.
Flying kiss, flying kiss.
Where's Daddy's phone?
That's Dada's phone. That's not Daddy's phone.
Where's Daddy's phone?
Daddy's phone is in Mommy. Mommy, get Daddy's phone. What happened to Daddy's phone? It's in... Ma, are you give that to Daddy na?
No. Daddy. Daddy, buwan, Daddy.
Oh wait, Daddy will, ano lang, wear socks.
Daddy, buwan, Daddy, buwan.
Daddy to ba? Yeah. I say, kiss Daddy.
Daddy, sorry kayo.
Kiss Daddy, guys, kiss. The other side. Oh, forehead. Up here. Oh, give that to Daddy first. So, okay. Up here. Is it for Gaius or for Mommy? Gaius, Gaius.
Oh, you wake up, Lola. Louder! Wake up, Lola! You wake up, Lola! Oh, knock.
Lola! Again, ayan. Lola. Gising.
Gising ko na.
Gising. Again. Gising. Lola, dali. Lola.
Lola!
Ayan na!
Ayun na.
Yay!
Lola is... Wake up!
Oh, Lola is
Gising.
Lola is gising.
Let's go. Follow me. Let's go.
Lahat nagisingan na. Lahat nagisingan na. Ang iba galing ng party. Ayan kami na magbubukas ng mga gifts para sa kanila. Excited ako kay Kayos.
Mama, you down.
Where are you going?
Antok na. Magigising ka pag nakita mo yung yung birthday gift.
Sinabing gift! Come on, Master! Master, let us give you a gift! We're going to open some gift!
Go, dali, Kayos, come on.
Are you
Come here. Come here. Oh, that's not yours.
Is this for Kayus ba? This is not yours yata! Don't get this one! Is this yours ba?
Mag-open na kami ng gift. Kasi yung isa late na naglagay. Magbihira naman. Kanina pa nakatulog nagising na nga
Tatay.
Ay, sabi surprise daw ilalagay daw isasabi. Ang kaso, yung mga bibigyan nandito na. Ayan, kita na.
1, 2, 3. Ay, tingnan mo ka.
Ang dalawa pang medyas.
Ito.
May
1.
naman na ganyan?
Oo. 2. 3.
Nasa likod ba? Sabi sa inyo, babangon kayo maaga na eh.
Gift, bangka.
Are you shy? No.
Baby naman.
Baby naman. Ay, you open the gift.
Ayos! That's yours!
That's yours. Wow.
Kasi nasaksakan.
Where is your gift? Can you open some gift? Open.
Wala.
That's yours.
TV nakata itong sasakit sa akin.
Kasi may electric fan.
Tanggalin natin ang electric fan.
Open.
Ipat mo.
Choose your gift.
Wow!
Where is your gift?
Oo, wait.
You pray. You pray muna.
I'll pray.
Muna.
Pray.
Pray muna. Jesus.
Mommy, watch me.
Watch me. Okay. I'm gonna watch Kaius. Pray.
I'll pray.
Mommy, watch mommy.
Oh, okay. Okay, mom. Mommy's watching you.
Mommy, watch me. But the dishes.
Uy, happy birthday, Jesus!
Happy birthday, Jesus! Yay!
Mommy, watch me.
Sabi nila, happy birthday, Jesus!
Mommy, come here. Mommy, come here.
Okay, I'm watching you. Oh.
Okay.
Mommy, sit down.
Okay, sit down.
Sit down beside Kais, right?
Oh, you
What's
pray
that?
muna.
Oh, you pray mo na kay Papa Jesus.
Say thank you.
Close your eyes po, close your eyes.
Ay,
And
pinipindot
praying.
niya kasi. Ganyan.
Okay.
Yan. Ay, say thank you po. Ay, ala.
Oh, say thank you, Lord. Thank you, Papa Jesus.
Pinipindot niya doon. Alam niyang nandun pala yung pindutan. Say thank you po kay Papa Jesus.
Mommy, open the light.
Open the light. Oh, it's not working.
Say thank you muna kay Papa Jesus. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Happy birthday! Kasi mo na happy birthday to Papa Jesus.
May makulit na dito.
Sassy. Excuse me, Dada.
Excuse me, Dada.
Ay, maliit na tayo. Ay, tatawin niya doon sa loob. Where is your hair car? Oh, wow, riding cars. May ba tayo kulay?
Hey, look at the alligator. Look at the crocodile. There's a crocodile, oh. Do you want to?
Crocodile.
Gusto niyo muna tanda ka, Bunso. Say, hi ka, Bunso. Oh, sige. Say hi to ka, Bunso.
Papa, sa.
Hi, Bunso. Agad. Are you say hi to Dada? You did.
Alfonso.
Hello, Bunso.
Kailangan ikaw ang mag-open.
Are you open?
Oh.
Go.
Oy! Kayos! Yo, what's up? Later. Say, yo, what's up?
Say mo na, yo, what's up?
Mom, Mommy, Daddy.
You say, yo, what's up? Hey, say, hey. What's up? Do you want to open the crocodile? You say, yo, what's up?
So much awesome.
Wow!
Kabunso!
Say, Kabunso.
You look at Dada.
Look
You look at Dada
camera.
and say, hey, Kabunso.
Here's the gift of baby Kais.
Ayun na si Lola.
Let's find the gift of baby Kais. Nasaan ang gift ni Kaios?
Mamaya.
Hey, let's open the crocodile. Let's open the crocodile. Who wants to open the crocodile gift? Kaios! Who wants to open the crocodile? Yay! Go! Ayoko lalo muna, Lala, nasa si Lala.
It's not working.
It's
working.
Ayos kakagising nga lamang.
Ayun,
Kaya
lalo
tinan niyo yung mga
lalo.
buhok namin. Nagkakanda tayo.
Go.
Kakabangon ko lang.
First is
First.
gift of
Go!
Sino?
Hey. Oh, open na kami ng mga regalo. Una kay Kayus.
Yay!
Bigay ng gift. Oh, bigay mo siya kuha ka ng gift.
Ay, get
Get one crocodile. Go. What do you want to open?
Which one?
Which one do you want to open? You
Yeah.
want this one? Or
You want
this
this
one?
one?
Yes. Oh, you go. You open it. Help Dada. You give Dada.
Okay.
Give Dada. You help Dada to open. Wow. Go.
Para kay to Kuya, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
That's for Lola.
For Lolo!
Give that to Lola.
you choose.
Oh, choose.
Choose one again, another crocodile. Choose another
Another one. Which one?
That one?
Oh, give to daddy. Dude! Walang name.
That's for Tata. Lalo pa rin.
This is for...
You have tata, you have tata.
Here, here.
Okay.
What's this? It's a...
What's that?
Down.
It's a big bag.
Say open. Open. What's that? It's
What's this?
Big
Big bag.
There's a crocodile.
Oh, choose again.
You choose again. Open again the crocodile.
Where are you going?
Ah, ito.
Nag-walk out na po ang bata at wala daw po siya dyan, Toy. Ayan na siya.
Oh, come here.
Hey!
Come here, dali.
Say excuse me to daddy.
Ano, excuse me to dad.
Oh! Bonggo!
Oh!
Say excuse me.
Ano mo na lang? Pull your bag, pull your bag. Pull your bag.
Chichi.
Ayaw mo na ng crocodile.
Wala
Chup,
daw
chup.
siyang toys. Tingnan mo.
Toys.
Oo nga, ano.
Oo nga, hindi ko nabili ng toys. Mag-give to... Kanino to?
Sa akin yan.
Oh, give it to daddy.
Oh, daddy.
Basta na yan. Give it to daddy.
Masama na loob mo, anak. It's okay.
Look at daddy.
Dad,
Look at... Mami, daddy.
Daddy, open.
So ganda.
Look, what is this? Ay!
Ay.
There's a crocodile. I want to open. Maybe there's some toys here.
Yeah.
Wait for daddy. Wait for daddy. Appear muna. Appear. See? Just say. Appear. Kiss. A kiss. Alright. A peace bump. Elbow. Nose. Open.
Open na.
What's that?
Tatay, binalik din ka kasi tinabi yun eh. Bakit naman kasi? Bawal magisgasan.
Ito, for...
Mami.
Mami, I'll give to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy.
Open natin. Thank you po.
Open.
It's open? Yeah? Yes. Help. Okay, help mom. What inside? Wow, what's this?
No! Ayaw niya.
Wala sa mood kasi wala siyang ano. Oh, ito, oh, kay Kayus.
Ano na yung kay Kayos?
Oh,
Uy,
ito oh. Kayus, oh. Look,
ito
your
kay
gift,
Kayos.
oh. For Kayus, oh.
Kay Kayos. Ay, galit na.
Gusto yung ano.
Kaya ako kung ano
Oo nga naman, bata nga naman, hindi sa mga laruan.
Sa sobrang rush, hindi na natin naisip.
Let's go po. I-open na natin yung gift ni Kayos. Ayun na si Kayos. That's for Kayus. Oh, help Dad. Help Dad.
Ay, handa
There's a machine here. There's a tank here. There's a car. You open. You help mom. Say mama, can you help open? Can you please open?
Kung mag-e-effort yung daddy, maglagay ng ano. Hindi din ang binigay.
Ito na!
Go, 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 go! Ice brain, oh! This will go inside. Look at this. This is a chopper. Go! Go, open, open.
There's a chopper inside.
Go. Ice, look at Lolo, look at Lolo. Look at Lolo, look at Lolo. Oh, go, go! Open the gate, open the gate.
Oh, open the gate.
There's a chopper here. There's a helicopter. There's heli.
Where is the
There's the
helicopter?
helicopter. Whoa! What's that?
What is this?
There's a people. There's a people. You get the people. What's that? Oh, also, there's more. There's more.
What's this? Helicopter?
Wow! What's that? Quintas.
It's open, it's open.
Wow!
Ang shoulder.
Look! What is
Mas gusto mo yung helicopter kaysa sa...
That's a
Oh!
pendant.
Oh, tama ko sa...
my necklace? You want to wear this?
Open.
No, don't take it. Oh, I'll give you this. Wait, do you want to wear this?
You wait for
now?
your turn. Oh, it's not your turn pa. Wait for your turn.
Oh, gusto niyo na.
Do you want to wear this?
Ay, gusto na
This one? Like that?
Susuot na. Gusto na isuot.
This one? Ay, papalit niya.
Oh, you close and give it to mommy. What will you say to Dada? You say thank you.
Thank you so much
Thank you
po.
so much po.
I said, thank you so much po.
Nada po yung lolo mo eh.
Lucky charm daw yun eh.
Ay, sige.
Love you.
Ano yung pendant pen?
Alam mo lang isuot, pero ito.
Love you
Ano
too.
talaga?
Love you too.
Ice brain, look at the soldier. Oh.
Okay.
Obo, o Nina, ikaw daw.
Ikikip natin mo.
Ikaw! Nasaan yung kay mamang gift ko?
Mami will keep this na. Kita to na. Use the helicopter. Where is the people?
Oh, kayo ko naman. Here the people.
Wow, you have
Ano to? Gift ko kay mama.
Kamsahan.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Siya, mahirap pang pabuksan.
Ayaw.
Ayaw bukas.
Balik yun ang bunk.
Hindi, may isa pang. Ayun.
Ano yun? Baligtaran.
Yung ginagamit ko yun yung regalo sa
Ay, ewan
last
ko
year.
baligtaran.
Ako, sabi ko nga kay Kuya, papalitan na natin eh.
Pero may isa ko din.
Ang ganda niyan.
Regalo sa akin.
Super kabal.
Doon sa helicopter.
Pang Simba.
Ay, it's right. Daddy may picture. Katayin mo.
Oh, pang Simba. Favorite color.
Ako naman ito na yung gift ko sa'yo. Ito na gift ko. Regalo ko na eh.
Tinitingnan mo kung may laman?
Nasanay ka, anong isang taon ganon.
Yan, charan. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
The purple butterfly. Go to the room, please. Continue. Watch Lola. Lola's opening the gift, oh.
Sirahin nyo. Sirahin nyo. Para may kasunod.
Kasi wala niyang kasunod.
Oo, pagka daw sinisira, may kasunod.
Ay, ganun.
Yeah.
Sisirahin.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
Yan kaya may laman.
Sirahin mo. Wow! Happy birthday, Lola!
Kasi happy birthday kay Lola Belen.
Happy birthday mo na to, Lala Belen.
Happy birthday.
Wow!
Ano yung laman?
Thank you, thank you.
Ano yung laman?
Kahapon wala ang gana eh. Kasi akala niya walang celebration. O bilang. Ilan taon ka na? 71. Ano ito, 71?
Diba, sisiguraduhin yan. Kung 71.
Baka kami mo bilangin, oh. I want. What's yellow?
Ay, what will you say muna? What will you say, Lola?
One more Lola
What will you say? Thank you so
One
much
more,
po.
one
Say
more.
thank you so much po. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ay, ito naman. Color.
Ate.
Kay ate.
Yo!
Akala ko wala na may bibigay sa ate.
Ako nakalimutan ako eh.
Hindi ka makakalimutan.
Biskuit.
Biscuit nga!
Ayaw pa buksan. Ate, kisa kayo.
Wow, ang ganda!
Grabe yung mood swing na ako. Wow, ang ganda.
Kanya-kanya medyas.
Dad, si Kalis pa kundi mo yung
Guys, bring! Gets the socks! Get the socks! Get the socks! You get your socks! Go to Dada! Dada! Oh! Dada! Come! Hindi, siyang kukuha. Ay, go to Dada! You get the socks!
What's this? What's this?
Go to Dada!
What's inside the socks? What's inside the socks? What's inside the socks? Oh. What's inside?
That's,
Money! Ang galing nga!
Oh, get your money!
What color is that?
Wow! What color is this?
Blue!
Color? Blue.
Oh.
There's more?
You say thank you po.
There's more?
Wow!
No more?
There's more!
There's more.
Ayaw niya i-shoot sa loob.
Wow! Wow! Ang dami mo niya.
Give to Daddy! That's for baby Gayus!
That's for baby kayo?
Oh, you say thank you muna! You say thank you!
Thank you. Say thank you.
You say thank you muna to Dada and Tata.
Oh, may kuya!
Thank you.
Ay, pera niyo ako. Nandun nilagay lahat to.
Sige, ako no.
Alam na ang pera.
Oh, ate!
Dati nung bata kami, 50 pesos lang, okay na. Yan na yung pinakamalaking bigay sa amin ng mga...
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone!
Yay!
Baby, oh, you get Daddy's money
Give
then.
this to mommy. Give this to mommy.
I'll give this to Mom.
Give this to mom. Mom!
Mom!
Thank you so much! Thank you po!
Ito mama sa'yo.
Yay! Thank you.
Baby Kayos, tututo siguro.
Dahil hindi ko makita yung isang medyas, aabot ko na lang para may ma-receive din siya.
Yay! Napamaskuhan ko!
Ano pa sasabi niyo?
May panggas na ako kay Panda.
Thank you, Rino.
Ayan, yun lang mga kabunso. Ayan, maraming salamat syempre sa mga kabunso na tumutok sa ating
Ay, Daddy,
pinag-vlog.
put on your socks. Shoot,
Ayan.
shoot. This is all yours.
Sana nag-share lahat. Ayan, give love on Christmas. Okay mga kabunso, once again, this week's Molino yung nagsasabing...
Happy na!
Ingat! God bless and...
Bye!
Ingat. Ingat.
God bless.
Help, help.
Daw kasi sumama.
Ingat.
You say take
God bless.
care. Say take care po. Oh, English kasi dito daw.
Say take care.
Take care. Take care. God bless.
God bless.
Lumisan na.
Wait lang po sa tatawag kita na.